Nonprofits across the 4 states are having to adjust how they approach giving this holiday season, and that includes the Salvation Army, which is gearing up for its annual Christmas Assistance Program. Our own Zach Dodge has the details.
The Salvation Army of Jasper and Newton County is trying to do the most good as families struggle through the pandemic.
We are experiencing a lot of first-time families that are signing up this year.
Earlier this month, they held sign-ups for their annual Christmas Assistance Program, where families in need get a meal for Thanksgiving and Christmas, and kids get gifts.
We ended up with 534 kids between the two communities that have signed up for help, and over 1,200 some families total.
Norris explains that number is higher than last year, but not quite as high as they expected in the midst of the pandemic, crediting that to the generosity of everyone in the area.
I'm surprised how much people have stepped up, knowing that the need is greater this year, which does take a lot of some of the heavy burden off of us, but yet we still have that need out there.
Now, with the pandemic still raging, it would be kind of hard to bring a bunch of people together to pick up toys. So distribution this year is going to look a little bit different.
It'll be a drive-through service. They will drive through to receive their pre-packaged or presents, whatever is, either they signed up just for the meal or signed up for the toys, depending on the families.
The goal, not just give a handout, but hand up to families that may need it now more than ever.
To bring a sense of comfort to the families during the holiday seasons, knowing that they don't have to worry about providing something for their children that they can get through us. They could still provide a good Christmas for them.
In Joplin, Zach Dodge, KOAM News.
As distribution is planned for December 22nd, and several of our Toy Box partners still taking applications. Newton County Christmas for Kids, that runs until December 10th. Cherokee County taking apps until December 15th. Health Watch next.